good piece of advice I would give to young people is to continue with your passions and kind of figure out how that works in a civic context. For example, like if you're passionate about art or passionate about computer science or any other sector, field, or something that you're interested in getting into, there's often a touch point in which that intersects with environmentalism or another issue that is intersectional to it that kind of progresses our society in a sense. And I think that's really what's the key to getting involved, is figuring out what makes you most passionate, not what makes you what alleviates that climate anxiety, because oftentimes just going out in the streets and organizing for a day doesn't fill that void that's inside. It's getting involved and volunteering at the organization consistently and kind of figuring out how your art can kind of bolster the posters that they put out for the protest, and kind of using that as a way to fuel what drives you internally and kind of solve the issues that you're facing as a young person growing up in a world that is quite literally on fire. So I think that's what's really key advice for young people, is just follow your passion and figure out how to make it civic.